Labor economics is a fascinating field that examines the dynamics between employers and employees, analyzing how labor markets function and how various factors influence employment, wages, and overall economic productivity. This discipline integrates concepts from both economics and sociology, providing valuable insights into the behavior of workers and firms within the economy. By understanding the principles of labor economics, we can better appreciate the complexities of the job market and the factors that drive employment decisions. One of the fundamental concepts in labor economics is the theory of supply and demand as it applies to labor. The supply of labor is determined by the number of individuals willing and able to work at a given wage, while the demand for labor is influenced by business needs and economic conditions. When demand for labor exceeds supply, wages typically rise, incentivizing more individuals to enter the workforce. Conversely, when there are more job seekers than available positions, wages can stagnate or decline, which impacts the quality of life for workers. Another critical area of study in labor economics is the role of human capital, which refers to the skills, knowledge, and experiences individuals bring to the labor market. Investment in education and training is essential for enhancing human capital, leading to higher productivity and better job prospects. Regions and countries that prioritize human capital development often experience stronger economic growth, as a skilled workforce is better equipped to innovate and adapt to changing market demands. This interrelationship between education and labor market outcomes highlights the need for effective public policies aimed at fostering skill development. Unemployment is another significant topic within labor economics that warrants attention. There are various types of unemployment, including cyclical, structural, and frictional unemployment. Cyclical unemployment arises from downturns in the economy, leading to layoffs and reduced hiring, while structural unemployment occurs due to shifts in the economy that make certain skills obsolete. Frictional unemployment, on the other hand, is a natural form of unemployment that occurs when individuals are transitioning between jobs. Understanding these types of unemployment helps policymakers craft targeted strategies to mitigate joblessness and enhance overall economic stability. In conclusion, labor economics provides critical insights into the functioning of labor markets and the various factors that influence employment, wages, and workers' well-being. By exploring key concepts such as supply and demand, human capital, and the nature of unemployment, we can better understand the complexities of the job market. By applying these insights, both policymakers and businesses can make informed decisions that not only enhance economic productivity but also improve the quality of life for workers in the labor market.